state government so yeah, to me, anybody will right he create his or her own publicity stunt. But the reality done on onye ahụ. Ị mara ihe Ikemba Ojukwu ji lose election n'ala Igbo. Ikemba zọrọ Senate na Anambra, mba onye Anambra South in 1983, and he was defeated. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Edwin Mbadiwe ebe onye defeated. So ye social media publicity were no ihe a political consultant and a journalist, and I can tell you, ndị na-eme politics ebugodo ụzọ mee homework ha. People in lift aka ga na-akpọ ha hand lifters. Just ịwa media ika ya ofe. Only right is on I wish him well. But can see free his city boy ha na what have you ọdụkwa mma. But I think another thing well in the money we has to be Kubana. On your mandate we shall stand. So Hana Juzulu which mandate? Or mandate na came by this government in the na inflation almost to 700%. Or mandate na how long the full refinery maybe after 4 years. Or mandate can you mandate think of or mandate the electricity ha meet like 5,000 megawatts. How add the anything? Or mandate ni lad home, or mandate na kidnappers na insecurity to so much the American soldiers have to come physically to Nigeria. Or mandate corruption. I follow a government official na NNPC well $5 million for a year we go na Switzerland. Then Gote have to come out openly and provide evidence. See today that man is working free. On Monday night, Yahaya Bello, a very active member of the ruling party. Na Agagari. Ebe Kuruno Nyanonu 18 billion in the Kogi state. Okay, what mandate are we talking about? Or mandate na agwa talonwata kere. Ojiobe, if nanya, mmaya in person. I may service songs here on Sunday na Transcorp. Ojiobe, ga hospital na abo. And when your common snake venom in Nigeria. Is that Monday we are standing about? Monday the week Akubeho, Ndi na Lori Olo na Abuja, workers over. Okay, which Nya de Gani Monday to understand it. On your can just campaign, we begin to interrogate and ask questions.